Huracán.
Huracán.
Rewind to your instinct. Rewind to new horizons.
The Lamborghini Huracán.
Huracán. Huracán.
Huracán. Huracán.
Huracan. And now that you know how to pronounce it, coming soon, the replacement to the Huracan. So we saw the Gallardo come and go. We've seen the Huracan come on the scene, and soon it will be gone. What will replace the Lamborghini Huracan? Who knows? Obviously, we know that electric and hybrid and all sorts of modern drivetrains is the way to go. We saw the really extreme electric concept car that Lamborghini recently put out. So it's a big question. What are they going to do with the replacement for this V10 model? Are we finally at the time where we're going to see the naturally aspirated cars start to go away? Or are they going to hang on to them a little bit longer with a little bit of spice? You have a naturally aspirated engine with a little bit of assistance from electric motors, making them even more awesome, the best of both worlds. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards, but who knows what Lamborghini will do next? Well, actually, I do know what Lamborghini is going to do next, and what they're going to do next is something awesome, because they always do.
So Lamborghini has replaced the Gallardo with a new car, and for the Gallardo and Murcielago fans, this car will be called the Huracan. But for those of you guys that actually want to pronounce the word properly, or try to anyway, that's what this video is for. So we're going to teach you how to pronounce the word properly. So this word is again coming from the Spanish bullfighting tradition, just like the Murcielago and the Gallardo. So it's a Spanish word. So first thing, right off the bat, get rid of the H. Spanish word, you don't pronounce the H, just ignore it. It doesn't exist. Before we go through how to pronounce this word, I just want to give a brief history. So the word
Huracán.
which is how you pronounce it, is actually not coming from hurricane, but it's the other way around. The word hurricane comes from
Huracán.
now
Huracán.
comes from Huracan or Hunraken. I'm not sure how to pronounce that word, but that's actually a Mayan storm god. Hurricane actually came from the Spanish colonists who modified the word
Huracán.
hurricane, and that's the word that we use today. So there's a little history on that. So how do you pronounce the word? Drop the H. First thing you do, drop the H. Break it up into two pieces of three letters in each group. Huracan. Huracan. You're going to pronounce it in those two groups to learn how to pronounce it properly.
Hurac. Hurac.
That's the first three letters.
Hurac. Hurac.
Okay? Then the next piece you have C, K, A with an accent, so you stress it. A, and then N. So can.
Can. Huracán. Huracán.
Very easy. Two pieces.
Huracán.
Final piece. Stress the A. That's very important. Stress the A. That's why the accent is there. The Lamborghini
Huracán.
can.
Huracán.
The Lamborghini.
Huracán.
That's how you pronounce the name of the new Lamborghini car that's replacing the Lamborghini Gallardo. And you can click here to see my video about the new car and the specifications of the car, which looks absolutely beautiful. In Italiano, bellissimo. Anyway, thank you for watching. You're watching Carlisle's Picks. Definitely subscribe, thumbs up, share the video.
Huracán. Huracán.
Huracán. Huracán.
Build the car the right way instead of chop shopping your car to different people. One person, one direction, you know everything about the car.
We have the brand new Camaro Z28.
A motorcycle rental in Italy, and so if you want.
Buongiorno.
You're watching Carlisle's Picks. Don't forget to subscribe.